Cozumel, Mexico is a favorite of many cruise lines in the Caribbean because of its stunning beaches, amazing food, and friendly locals. But is there something that you shouldn't be doing before you go? Something that you should be doing? Let's talk about it. What's up guys, Josh Hokum here. Listen, today I wanted to talk to you about 5 things that I think you should know before visiting the amazing, beautiful port that is Cozumel, Mexico. Now, if you're new here and you haven't already subscribed, but you like cruise news, cruise tips, cruise reviews, and most importantly, cruise vlogs, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button right down below this video with the notification bell turned on. Well, the first thing that I think that you should know about Cozumel is that they are very, very serious about not bringing any food off of the ship. When you dock in Cozumel, oftentimes before you dock, the night before even, the cruise director, the cruise ships, the hotel director, whoever is making the announcements on board will make an announcement or you'll receive something in your stateroom. And it basically says, do not bring stuff off the ship, okay? Cozumel is one of the few places in the Caribbean that I've been to where they take this very, very literally and seriously. They have drug-sniffing dogs, food-sniffing dogs, you name it, they're out there along the pier. They have agents searching your bags as you get off, much like you were going into a theme park here in the state. If you bring something off the ship, they will find it, they will confiscate it 9 times out of 10, and you will not, be able to take it to wherever you're going. So go ahead, don't get your plans ruined, your day messed up, and just don't bring it. Plan to, have lunch, have, snack, whatever, in the island, support the local economy, that kind of thing. Do not bring any food off the ship. It's going to be my first tip for you about the beautiful port of Cozumel. Next thing that I think that you should know about the beautiful port of Cozumel is that the snorkeling is amazing. Now, when you're choosing your excursion for your day in Cozumel, there are going to be many, many options. There's all-inclusive beach days, there's ATV adventures, there's kayaking, there's catamarans, there's all sorts of amazing stuff. But if you get an excursion with any sort of scuba diving or snorkeling, I guarantee you it is going to be absolutely phenomenal. The reef that surrounds Cozumel is absolutely stunning. The locals do a great job at preserving this natural beauty and wonder, so you gotta get out there and check out some of the wildlife out under the ocean on your next visit to Cozumel. Now, the third thing that I think you should know about Cozumel, something that you need to do before your visit, and I unfortunately had to learn this the hard way, but it is to research the taxi prices from different locations that you plan to go. If you know that you're going to be taking a taxi or you're going to need a taxi service or a car service, research the price beforehand, before you get to Cozumel, because unfortunately, I found this out the hard way, but apparently it happens more often than not, that the locals will kind of upsell the price of what the taxis actually are. So for example, back in my visit in January to Cozumel, the taxi for us from Punta Langosta to Chankanaab was $12 total. However, our driver ended up charging us $20. So, and then, tried to claim that we didn't collect the money. It was a whole big thing. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can click on the eye blinking right up in this corner up here, and it'll take you to that video, and you can see kind of exactly what I'm talking about. But research taxi prices. Know what the prices of things are. That's just standard travel practice. You research what your excursions are. You research your cruise ship. Research your taxi and transportation prices. It'll help make your day that much more smooth and worry-free. Number 4 on the list of things that I think you should know about Cozumel before you go is do not drink the tap water while you are there. Make sure you're only drinking bottled water. Of course, Cozumel is part of Mexico, and they don't have the same water treatment policies and procedures that we do here in the States. So just go ahead and play it safe and make sure that you're only drinking bottled water on your visit to Cozumel. And my final tip for you for things that I think you need to know before you're visiting Cozumel, and this one probably the most important if you're doing anything on your own, not through the cruise line or, inclusive resort that you're staying at, that is that there are actually 3 ports in Cozumel, 3 piers, should I say. And so you'll need to find out which exactly one you're docking at, because your excursion meeting point may be at the different pier that you dock at. And so then you're gonna have to account some travel time, possibly even a taxi service like we just mentioned a few moments ago. So find out where you're docking. I can go ahead and tell you that Carnival's Pier is gonna be the Costa Maya Pier, and then right beside it is where Royal Caribbean docks, and then a little bit further down, it's about a 5-minute drive, is going to be the Punta Langosta Pier, and that's where, for example, Norwegian docks, that's where Disney docks, and several of the international cruise lines dock there. But occasionally, if you know the other piers up at the Puerto Maya Pier are full, then you'll have to dock maybe down at Punta Langosta. So just go ahead and double check, do some research, find out where your cruise ship docks. It's going to make that morning when you get there a lot less stressful and worry-free. Well, there you have it, short and sweet. There are 5 things that I think that you should know before your visit to Cozumel. I'd love to hear any tips that you have. Down in the comments below, let me know what are some pro tips that you use whenever you visit Cozumel. Let me know also how many times have you been to Cozumel. I've been, I think, 4 or 5, and I'm getting ready to go again. So I'd love to hear how many times have you been to Cozumel. Right down in the comments below. Listen guys, if you're new here and you haven't already subscribed, but you like this video, you dig the vibes, it would mean the world to me if you consider subscribing right down below this video with the notification bell turned on. We upload new fresh content every single week for you. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. My name is Josh. Until next time, it's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun. We'll see you real soon on the high.